Okay, hi everybody. I'm gonna show you how to make sure you can watch and play on Lookers. So to begin with, we go on our web browser, doesn't matter which it is. In the address field, we type 192.168.1.1. Enter. Here comes the password. You can get it from the owner of the router. So we are gonna skip ahead here while I type in the date. Okay, now we're on a router. On the primary DNS server, which is the first, you should type 208.67, 222, 222. On the secondary, you should write the same thing, but 220 on both places instead. You can't change this if the DHCP server is disabled, so enable it if it's disabled. May cause some problems on other softwares, but then you have to prioritize if the play or the software should work. Yeah. So that's about it. Don't forget to write down the information that is used here because you will need it. And we close this window. And now we open the start panel. We type in CMD in the search field and press enter so the CMD comes up. And we write ipconfig space /all. Enter. So here comes some information up. And you should type down the hold hold this window up so you can see the information, because you can't do this again. You can type the command again, because then there will be a different information. So keep that up and do not close it. If you want to be sure, you can write down the subnet mask for your computer. Okay, go to the control panel, go to show network status and tasks, and here change I don't know actually what it's called on English, but I know it's on the same place. So press on that one in the middle. Right click on the network connection that you use and press properties. If you use Vista, it would say configure here, so press properties /configure and a window comes up. Press on the protocol version 4 and press properties. If this option is crossed in, you do not have to change anything, just then it should work. You just close every windows and try it out. If this though is crossed in, you got to change some settings. The IP address you do not need to change if you don't want to. The subnet mask should be the same as in the command prompt. If it's not, change it. And the gateway should be 192.168.1.1. Now type in the information for the DNS that we did before, so it fits with the router's configures. And I actually wrote wrong here, so I just changed that. So, and press OK, and maybe it will reconnect and maybe not. I don't know why it doesn't and why it does sometimes, but and once that's reconnected, it will work. If it doesn't work, start over the computer and I will hope it works for you. Thank you guys, have a good time farming.